All right, what's up? So in this video, I want to talk to you about how can you actually make money using your digital marketing skills with affiliate marketing, right? So affiliate marketing is a really big thing, and there are a lot of ways you can make money through affiliate marketing. But if you're confused of where do you get started from, I would suggest this. Start with ClickBank, right? ClickBank, if you don't know what is ClickBank, clickbank.com is one of the biggest sites for information marketing products. So products like ebooks, online courses, and stuff like that. So if you go to ClickBank, if you open a ClickBank account, you can literally click any product that's selling on ClickBank and you can start affiliating for it. And if a sale happens through your link, your affiliate link, you get paid commissions to as much as 75-80% of the product sale. So I think that's one really awesome way to start generating revenue. So one is affiliate revenue, and if you want to generate affiliate revenue through say selling physical products, then I would suggest a CPA network, right? So where you can sign up for a free account and promote actual physical products like beauty products or products in every single category, and you can make commissions as about as much as $70 to $100, and not for selling a product but actually getting someone to take up a trial offer for the product. So a lot of great affiliate networks. So just Google CPA network and you'll come across a lot of amazing affiliate network. So right, there's two places to begin with to make affiliate revenue, and you can also make affiliate revenue by selling for Amazon, Flipkart. They all have affiliate network and affiliate partnership program. So you can sign up for that and like post a link of an Amazon product that you select through your Amazon account, Amazon affiliate account, and if somebody clicks on your link and purchases the product, you make revenue. So that's one way to monetize your digital marketing skills on the side, is to start affiliating. The second way to make revenue is by selling your own products. So the best and the most easiest way to start making revenue by selling your own products is by selling t-shirts, right? So like t-shirts are really popular, and it's the benchmark or the overhead to start selling t-shirts is minimal, especially when you go to a site like mydreamstore.in in India or Teespring. You can just open a free account and you can set up your store in as slow as 5 simple minutes, right? So go to mydreamstore.com, and in fact I have a complete video where I walk you through how to set up a complete t-shirt campaign and your store and launch an ad in as little as 30 minutes. So if you know digital marketing, then starting your own t-shirt store with a third-party platform like Teespring and running Facebook ads, you can start making a pretty good revenue on the side. So apart from that, you can also drop ship physical products, right? So go to a site like aliexpress.com, alibaba.com, and send out the products or sell the products to people in different countries with Facebook advertising, and as soon as you sell the product, your product is shipped to the consumer and you make money. That's as simple as that. You are not really buying any product, buying any inventory. So that's again one great avenue to sell products, which is drop shipping model. Again, you need skills of advertising, Facebook advertising, Google advertising, and bam. So that's again an easy way to make money with digital marketing. Of course, it's not cakewalk. You need to have skills, you need to be good, you need to be a great marketer. But that's again, if you are a great marketer, then you can absolutely make money using these skills. The next avenue to make money could be selling your own physical products on Amazon, Flipkart, or all the other marketplaces. Not just Amazon India, but Amazon.com, Amazon Germany, which is great to sell physical products at this point. So again, really you don't have to buy a lot of products. You can order minimum quantity of about 200-300 products, put your private label, and bam, sell the product on Amazon.com. So again, a great way to make revenue. So blogging is great, AdSense is great. If you are great at videos, then maybe start a YouTube channel and talk about the stuff that you are interested in and start making more revenue through YouTube, right? Through YouTube monetization. So if you're getting a lot of views on your video, then you can start making money through YouTube. So again, there are enormous opportunities, and I'll actually be creating a video where I walk you step by step in detail for each step, like how do you set up a ClickBank account, how do you uh, run ads for CPA network, how do you set up your t-shirt store. I think that video is already on the channel, and how do you start selling on Amazon. So again, like too many avenues. If you're great at digital marketing, if you're great at advertising, you can you can work as a digital marketer, but on the side you can also make a pretty decent revenue. And some people make huge revenue by doing all these allied things. So these are 5 ways to make great revenue with digital marketing on the side. I hope this video was of help to you. It gave you a kickstart, and of course I'll be creating detailed video about each step in the coming days, and I hope you look forward to that. Make sure you subscribe so that you do not miss out on that video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.